This highly contagious virus shows no visible symptoms in almost 80% of positive cases. Vaccines or treatments are seen to be more than 6 months away. Lockdown may get relaxed, but life will not be back to normal for a very long period of time. So, guys, let's be ready for a new way of living to protect us, our family, our community, and once again enable the economy.
Crazy times we are living in, huh? We are having conversation about the new normal. How life is never going to get back to the way it was. But we are getting what the new normal is going to be in our life. So let's see what the new normal is going to be.
25 universities and clinical centers around the world researchers have begun clinical trials that one reliable vaccine which can stop the virus on its track seems far away. The situation will remain the same until the vaccine arrives on COVID-19.
So according to World Health Organization, corona is not going anywhere. So we have to learn to live with this corona and we have to change our lifestyle. So when we are talking about learning to live with this corona, it is very important that there are guidelines on saving oneself from this virus are adopted in community as a behavioral changes. So let's see how we can take care of the different platforms and what are the changes will be there in new normal.
Colleges and schools are reopening soon. Here are the safety guidelines which should be followed by students as lockdown ends.
Use mask to cover your nose and mouth. Also wear gloves to cover your hands. Avoid direct contact with your homies. Throw out gloves after one use. When you get back to home, wash your hands with soap or a sanitizer.
Preventive measures which are to be followed to reduce the risk of COVID-19 at religious places are as
Religious places in India, on their part, are armed with thermal scanners, sanitizers, and bunch of change protocols. Social distancing is perhaps the most tricky aspect of managing crowds at temples, churches, mosques, and gurudwaras. Inside a mosque, for instance, the faithful offer prayers 5 times a day, often sitting close to one another. So, to manage this, the Jama Masjid in Delhi has made social distancing marking with yellow stickers in the prayers areas. In gurudwaras, same precautions are given, and visitors would wash their hands using the taps present and dip their feet in a pool of water before entering a gurudwara. There will now be water jugs treated with antiseptic solution for this. All devotees are being given hand sanitizer while entering the temple premises. Maintain physical distancing of a minimum of 6 feet at all times when queuing up for entry. Specific markings may be made with a sufficient distance to manage the queue.
Farmers are backbone of our society. They are one who provide us all food that we eat. As a result, the entire population of our country depends upon farmers. For farmers to carry on with his work, what precautions should we consider? This is the new normal.
काय रे दाद्या काय करतोय?
काय नाही दादा बघ आंबे तोडतोय. विकायला न्यायचे होते उद्या सकाळी बाजारात.
अरे पण कोरोना संकट चालू आहे, तू बाजारात चालला आंबे घेऊ.
अरे तो कोरोना तर 6 महिन्यापासून चालू आहे. पण आपण जर घरात बसलो, शेतकरी घरात बसला तर लोकांनी काय खायचं? शेतकऱ्याचं कर्तव्य आहे अन्नधान्य पिकवणं आणि लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवणं. तर आपणच घरात बसलो तर लोकांनी काय खाणार? लोकांना अन्नधान्य पुरवणं, फळभाज्या पुरवणं हे शेतकऱ्याचं प्रथम कर्तव्य आणि शेतकऱ्यांनी ते कर्तव्य करणं गरजेचंच आहे. हा, आपण मात्र काय करायचं, खबरदारी घ्यायची. अन्नधान्य जेव्हा आपण विकायला येऊ त्याच्या अगोदर त्याला सॅनिटाईज करायचं, मास्कचा वापर करायचा, सॅनिटायझर वापरायचं, हँडग्लोव्ज वापरायचे. आणि आपण ज्याला फळभाज्या विकणार आहे, आपण ज्याला भाजीपाला विकणार आहे, त्याला एक गोष्ट मात्र सांगायची की घरात नेल्यानंतर या भाजीपाल्याला पहिलं सॅनिटाईज करूनच घरात न्यायचं. दुसरं काय, ते म्हणतात ना, स्वस्थ रहेगा इंडिया तभी तो आगे बढ़ पाएगा इंडिया, असंच काहीतरी.
Let's see how the new normal looks like for the ordinary people as they have to step out of their homes to fulfill their needs.
Maintain a distance of at least a meter or a feet between you and other people around. Always wear mask and receive the product without having any physical contact with shopkeeper. Keep the stuff in sunlight or in open for 15 to 30 minutes. Then sanitize it and bring stuff inside home.
So we have seen several different platforms. So what will be the changing face of transportation? So let's see here. Passengers are now required to download Arogya Setu app and activate it as well for all transportations. The Railways has issued new guidelines for travel, asking passengers to carry their own food and arrive at station at least 90 minutes before departure for health screening. In order to prevent physical handling of tickets, for verifying the details, a magnifying glass be provided if possible. Unlike before, limited passengers will be there. Since the trains will be operated ongoing nationwide lockdown, only the passenger with a confirmed e-tickets shall be allowed to enter the station. They have started the thermal screening of passenger inside the train. The new normal in air travel. Face masks are absolutely essential at all times, even inside the aircraft. Airport will not have newspaper and magazine at the lounges. Baggage will be sanitized before entering the airport. Passengers will have to go through thermal screening and entire process will be contactless. Meals will not be served inside the aircraft. Water will be provided.
Hello friends, since the pandemic begins, pharmacists have spent a lot of time on educating people about COVID-19 and reinforcing messaging about how to stop the spread. This is very important in small community where some may think they don't have to worry about this virus. So let us ask a pharmacist itself how was his experience in this lockdown.
लॉकडाऊन जेव्हा चालू होता तेव्हा ती कंडिशन होती आणि आता ती कंडिशन दोघांपैकी तुम्हाला सगळ्यात जास्त म्हणजे मेहनत किंवा त्रास कशात मग लॉकडाऊन आता वाढवलं पाहिजे काही दिवस वाढवलं
आता सध्या पेशंट खूप वाढत आहे. जसं लॉकडाऊन उघडल्यानंतर आपण बघतोय की रोजच्या रोज नवीन पेशंट वाढत चालले. रोज हजारोच्या संख्येनं पेशंट येत आहे. तर फार्मसी म्हणून आपलं कर्तव्य आहे की आपण पूर्वी या पेशंटसाठी सेवा दिली होती. इमर्जन्सी सर्व्हिसमध्ये येतो आपण आणि यानंतरही आपण सेवा देतो की जरी पेशंट वाढू काही आपलं कर्तव्य आहे की आपण कंटिन्यू सेवा दिली पाहिजे.
A doctor gives life to the patient through medicines. A pharmacist gives life to the medicine through his knowledge and skills. Proud to be a pharmacist.
Yes, the time is tough.
Yes, the pandemic has not yet ended.
Yes, staying at home and home quarantine is very difficult.
Yes, tough time never lasts.
Groceries and medical shops are open, so make sure you follow human safety guidelines while going to fulfill your needs.
The normal tomorrow is always going to be different than normal today. The only thing we can do to make the most of the circumstances, whether they look like today and tomorrow, we take the good, we take the bad, and we make the most of the season that we have in front of us.
So I just want to encourage you or challenge you that the normal will always going to be different tomorrow. No matter what new normal looks like, we will get through this together. So stay focused, stay home, stay safe, stay well.